Hey Nash, what should we make?
Our friend Dual-Bladed Scorpion suggested chili mac, which would remind me of childhood. But my childhood was kibble and broken dreams until I met you. But I digress. Let's make chili mac.
All right, let's make chili mac. Today we have another request from our friend Dual-Bladed Scorpion. Dual-Bladed Scorpion requested chili pasta, which I'm just going to assume is chili mac. So today we're going to make chili mac. We made something really similar before, but it wasn't chili mac. So today we're making chili mac for you, Dual-Bladed Scorpion. And if that's not what you wanted something else, let me know and we'll make another one. But anyways, without further ado, let's go. In a large, deep skillet on medium heat, we throw in about a tablespoon of butter. Once our butter's melted, we throw in one diced onion and cook that until it's softened and translucent. Once your onions start to soften, clear out a little living spot, a little bit of oil, add a few cloves of garlic, let that cook until fragrant, about 45 seconds. Then we stir it in, and we add about a tablespoon of tomato paste, stir that in, let that toast. Bring out the sugars and the caramelize it a little bit. And then we add a pound of ground beef. Then once our beef is mostly cooked through, we add 2 tablespoons of flour, 1 tablespoon of chipotle chili powder, half a teaspoon of smoked paprika, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of oregano, a pinch of salt. Let me go ahead and stir that in. Don't worry if stuff sticks to the bottom. We're gonna get rid of that in a second. Then we add 8 ounces of tomato sauce and 3 cups of beef broth. Then we scrape the bottom, make sure you get any little bits of fond off of there. And then we pour in 2 cups of elbow macaroni. If you really wanted to use a different kind of pasta, you totally could. And we stir everything together. And we put a lid on this, let it come to a boil. And then just for good measure, we're gonna add in, I had this from another recipe, add in a little bit of cooked chopped bacon, stir that around. Then once you come to a full rolling boil, turn your heat down to medium low, give this one more stir. Then we put the lid back on and stirring occasionally, we let this go for probably about 10 minutes until the macaroni's all cooked. We got 1 cup of grated cheddar cheese, so we'll go ahead and throw half of that in there. We'll go ahead and stir that in. And then we take the rest of it and just sprinkle it over the top as best you can. And if it's cheese you grated yourself, it's gonna be a little hard to do because it kind of sticks together. If you're using pre-grated, easier, but not as good a product. And we put our lid back on, let that go until our cheese is melted. At this point, you can kill the heat and let the residual heat melt your cheese. But when you're doing gestures, make sure not to touch the pan because it's hot. Like I say, folks, hot is hot. Then once you're done, everything's good to go. At this point, you could spoon some into a bowl. Top this with some fresh herbs, maybe some parsley, whatever you like, some basil. And there we have our chili mac, just for you, Dual-Bladed Scorpion. Time for a bite. Cheers. It's really good. I've heard, as far as MREs go, if you're a military person, that chili mac is one of the better flavors. But hey, let me know in the comments if that's true or not. But either way, this is freaking fantastic. You know, it's super simple. It's a one pan, 1 pot dish. It's rich. It's got depth of flavor. It's ooey, it's gooey, it's cheesy. It's really delicious. And I mean, come on, like as far as back home nostalgic flavors, chili, mac and cheese, put the 2 together, you got your chili mac. Why wouldn't it be amazing? So this is freaking amazing. Make it. Your kids will probably love it. You'll probably love it. Everyone will probably love it. And it's super easy to make and you don't have to get a lot of shit dirty. So go make it. But hey, let's see what Nash thinks. Hey bud, how you doing?
I'm good. Happier than a pig and
Well, check it out. We got this chili mac that dual-bladed scorpion suggested that you wanted. Well, here you go. Of course, yours is the dog-friendly version. What do you think?
It's rich, it's beefy, it's cheesy. I mean, chili good, mac and cheese good. Put the two together, how could it not be good?
Anything you'd like to say to your fans?
Optimism is the faith that leads to achievement. Nothing can be done without hope and confidence.
Nash approves. I approve. It's a great dish. Thank you so much, Dual-Bladed Scorpion, for the suggestion. It's a classic. It's nostalgic. Go make it. It's chili mac. It even sounds cool. Go make it for you. Go make it for your kids. Go make it. Just go make it. But hey, thank you so much for watching, all of you. Really appreciate you all. Love you all. If you wouldn't mind taking a second to like, share, and subscribe, that would help us out. We'd really appreciate it. If you want notifications every time we drop a new video, go ahead and hit that notification bell. If there's anything you want me to make, you want me and Nash to taste, go ahead and drop that down in the comments, or head over to our website, timschaoskitchen.com. Send us a message there. And hey, just remember, cook more, eat better, embrace the chaos. That's it for now, folks. Until next time, peace.